Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my guest list planner on Google Sheets. This template contains 3 tabs. We have the guest list planner, then we have the sitting manager, and then we have the monthly task list. So for the guest list planner, we have 5 tables. So we have the first table is the guest list planner. On this table, you can add the names, addresses, cell phone number, the relationship status of the guest to you, the age group, invitation status, confirmed, dietary options, and then dietary restriction. So for the relationship, if it's a wedding, you want to know if it's the best man, the bride's family, the bridesmaid, if it's the bride or the groom. Then the age group want to know if it's an adult or a child. For the invitation status, we want to know if the invitation card has been sent. Any of these options, you can pick anyone. Then confirm just to tell us if the guest has accepted to attend the event or not. Then we have a set of dietary options right here, and then we have a separate column for dietary restrictions. So for the dietary options, you can edit any of them. This goes for all of the drop downs as well. You can edit any of them by clicking on this edit button right here, and then you can change the name or delete any of them that you don't want. Then for the wedding, this small table, you just need to double click on this box right here and then pick any day of the wedding, and then the countdown to the day automatically shows up. Then for the guest count, this guest count is automatically generated from the guest list planner. Currently on this planner, we have a total of 39 persons that have accepted to attend the event, and of these 39 persons, 4 are children. So 39 is the total number that have accepted to attend the event, and then 4 are children. So if we were to come here and change this, will attend to won't attend, you can see the number has changed to 38. So let's change it back. So for the menu, we have options for beef, chicken, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and seafood. So in this list currently, we have 4 guests that choose seafood, 4 vegetarian, and then soup. Then for the dietary guest list, for the confirmed guest list, this list, the columns for names, relationships, dietary options, and restrictions are automatically generated from the guest list planner. You should only write on the column for table number. So any name, any table number assigned to any of the guests, the name of the guest automatically shows up in this guest sitting arrangement manager. So if we assign table 10 to Kylian Mbappe, for example, you can see his name shows up on table 10. So that is it for the guest list. Then for the sitting arrangement manager, we have 50 tables, and each of the tables, we have 60 tables, and each of the tables contains 10 seats. So if you wanted to increase the number of tables, you can just come over here and then copy this last set of tables, and you can see it automatically updates. But if, for example, you're having some issues and it didn't automatically update, you can just come over here and then it says 058 plus 1. So you can, this cell over here is related to this cell plus 1. You could just come here and then add 1 to the formula over here, and then your table should be working perfectly. So to test this out, you can just come over to the guest list and then change Cristiano Ronaldo to table 68, and we can see his name shows up on table 68. So we are sure our guest sitting arrangement manager is working perfectly. Then for the monthly task list, you just write out your task by month and then check them off as you complete them. So that is it for this template. If you like to purchase it, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thank you for watching.